Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you all are doing great. There are many times that I just grab my phone and shoot whatever I'm doing. It might be a recipe or house chores or an outing. There won't be any specific content on those. That will just take up all storage on my phone because I don't delete it without publishing it in any of my videos. I had few recipes taken on different days, some done earlier and some new. So thought to club all those clips together and publish it today. Hope you will like it. Keep watching. My fridge gets a bit messy by the end of the week, so I give a quick cleanup. Most probably it is either on a Friday or mostly Saturdays. Cleaning once a week makes the cleaning easier, or else there will be tough stains that need to be taken out with a soap and scrub, which end up cleaning the kitchen floor as well. So to avoid that, I give a wipe every week. Weekday evenings are not like how it used to be because my husband gets really busy that he might not come home evening time. As we normally have early dinner, on some days as soon as he comes, we have dinner instead of evening snacks. But on weekends, evening tea and snacks are really refreshing. So if we are at home, I make tea and sometimes cook snacks. This day it was air-fried potato wedges. And this is not homemade, it's store-bought. The dip recipe was not short as it was quick and easy. This is really simple one: mayonnaise, honey, chili sauce and ketchup. You can adjust the sauces as per your likes. I will anyway share the recipe below in the description box, so you may check it out. Do follow me on my Instagram. I had recently shared a reel on how to fold a fitted sheet. I try to add tips these days so it's easy to know what tips I follow to have a neat and clean lifestyle. My kids love cinnamon roll and it's a very scrumptious snack or dessert. Not very healthy though, not always I prepare it, but when they badly crave for it. Had done this earlier too. I shall share the recipe link in the description box so that you can get the correct details for it. Have also made a healthier version of the same with whole wheat flour, and there I substituted sugar with jaggery. Shall share the link of that too in the description box. I had made few recipes for a friend's mom who was leaving after her visit to Oman. I was not able to invite them home for dinner or lunch due to time constraints from our side as well as theirs. So made few snacks for them, and I did take a video on it to share with you all. I made these in quite a large quantity. I shall share the ingredients for a smaller quantity in the description box. In a kadai, saute chopped onion in some hot oil. Add minced meat and let it cook. I made tuna puffs. For this, took tuna into a bowl and broke down the larger chunks. Into the kadai goes in Kashmiri red chilli powder, turmeric powder, garam masala powder and crushed black pepper. Mix well. Let the raw smell of the spices go. Into the tuna, add a handful of chopped coriander leaves, paprika, cumin powder, crushed black pepper. To make it more creamier, I added some spreadable cheese and mayonnaise. The filling is ready. Adding salt to the minced meat, and this is done. Take out phyllo sheets. The brand that I'm using is the worst I can say. It was breaking. I didn't find any good ones from the nearby grocery. Do use good quality ones, or else you can make it yourself. I had once shown how to make it in one of the Ramadan preparation videos. Spread some melted butter in a pan and layer 4 or 5 phyllo sheets each time, spreading melted butter before placing the next. Trim the edges as per the size of the baking tray you are using. Add the minced meat mix, spread evenly. Then add some mozzarella cheese. To get an extra cheesy flavor, I added some cheddar cheese as well. Repeat the phyllo sheets around 4 or 5 layers or up to the same number you have used below. Don't forget to spread some melted butter in between. Trim the extra sheets. Cut them in squares before you bake. Into a glass of milk, add some salt and crushed black pepper. Mix and pour over the dish. Just tilt the tray so that it's spread evenly. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for around 35 to 40 minutes or until it turns to a nice golden brown color. This is like a savory baklava. I guess this dish name is Egyptian Goulash, but I haven't made it authentic and I hope I'm pronouncing it right. The square puff sheets were filled with the tuna mix and baked in a preheated oven at 250 degrees Celsius for 10 to 12 minutes on each side, or again till they turn golden brown. I'm really sorry, as I mentioned, I shot these in a random way and totally forgot to complete the shooting. I don't have a finished photo of any. To make the cinnamon rolls even more delicious, I drizzled a mixture of 1/4 cup condensed milk with some warm milk. This was very soft and super delicious. Now this clip was taken last time when my husband was out of town. Kids wanted to have movie night. So I prepared caramel popcorn to munch while watching. In a big pot, add some vegetable oil. Roast the corn kernels till they change the color. Cover the lid and let it finish popping. Use a larger pot to make caramel. Add in sugar, let it caramelize. Swirl at times so that it doesn't burn. But make sure not to use a spatula before it has melted. Adding a pinch of salt. Add generous amount of butter and mix well. Let it melt completely. Then goes 1 teaspoon baking soda. Make sure flame is low. You see the caramel in a foamy texture. Now mix in the popcorns. Never try to eat a single popcorn at this time. It is super hot and will burn your tongue. Once it's mixed well, transfer to a plate to cool down. And once it has cooled down, they go really crunchy. Enjoy the popcorn with your family while watching a movie. So that's all for today's video, and I hope you enjoyed these snippets of our life. See you with another video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.